Hello everyone. Before diving into today's topic, we want to take a moment to thank you for your support. Every like, comment, and subscription truly makes a difference and helps this channel grow. If you enjoy our content and don't want to miss upcoming videos, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to receive all updates. The universe is a place dominated by the force of gravity, one of the four fundamental forces of nature. Gravity plays a crucial role in the formation and evolution of celestial bodies and cosmic structures. While we are used to thinking of gravity as the force that keeps Earth in orbit around the Sun or that holds our feet to the ground, there are much more complex phenomena that reveal its impact on a cosmic scale. One of these is the effect of cosmic tides, which describes how gravitational forces between celestial objects can cause deformations in the bodies involved. These tidal forces are crucial in the formation of planets, the dynamics of stars, and even the interaction between galaxies. So, let's explore how gravity acts as a cosmic force that shapes and sculpts the universe in incredibly fascinating ways. In astrophysics, cosmic tides refer to the gravitational effects that one celestial body can exert on another, causing distortions, oscillations, or internal heating. These effects are similar to what we observe on Earth, where the moon causes the rise and fall of ocean waters, the tides. However, on a cosmic level, tides are not limited to the oceans. They can also influence planets, moons, stars, and entire galaxies. Tidal forces manifest as a force that depends on the distance between celestial bodies and their relative sizes. When a massive object, such as a star or a black hole, approaches another celestial body, the difference in gravitational force between its near and far sides causes a deformation of the body. In some cases, this deformation can lead to catastrophic events, such as the destruction of a star or the fragmentation of a moon. A striking example of cosmic tides can be found in our solar system, between Earth and the Moon. The Moon exerts a gravitational force on Earth that causes a bulging of ocean waters, generating the phenomenon of tides. This force is not limited to the oceans. Earth itself undergoes a deformation under the influence of the Moon. Although Earth's deformation is much less evident than ocean tides, it results in a slight oscillation in the planet's shape, known as Earth's tidal deformation. The Moon, in turn, is not static. Its rotation is synchronized with its orbit around Earth, meaning it always shows the same side to us. However, due to tidal forces, the Moon is slowly drifting away from Earth at a rate of about 3.8 centimeters per year. This phenomenon, known as lunar recession, is the result of the gravitational interaction between the two bodies. Another fascinating case involves Jupiter's moons, particularly Io, one of the most geologically active moons in our solar system. Its orbit is not perfectly circular, meaning Jupiter's gravitational force on Io constantly varies. This creates immense tidal forces within Io, generating heat and volcanic activity. This internal heating, caused by tides, is responsible for the most violent volcanic eruptions occurring on Io, transforming it into an incredibly dynamic and geologically active world. Tides are not limited to planets and moons. In fact, stars themselves can experience significant tidal effects. When two stars are in a binary system, meaning they orbit each other, tidal forces between them can trigger extraordinary events. If the stars are close enough, tidal forces can cause mass transfer from one star to the other. This process can alter the brightness, chemical composition, and evolution of the stars themselves. An example of these interactions is seen in binary star systems. In such a system, the two stars can exert such a strong mutual influence that they deform each other, modifying their internal structures. The more massive star can begin to steal material from its smaller companion, a process that can lead to phenomena such as novae or supernovae, an explosion marking the end of a massive star's life. In extreme cases, this process can result in the formation of black holes or neutron stars. Cosmic tides can also influence the final fate of a star. When a massive star ventures too close to a supermassive black hole, tidal forces can completely destroy it. This phenomenon, known as tidal disruption, occurs when the black hole's gravitational force is so intense that it stretches and tears the star apart, an event that produces a brilliant burst of radiation observable across astronomical distances. Cosmic tides do not stop at the stellar level. In fact, they are responsible for spectacular and large-scale events such as galaxy mergers. When two galaxies approach and merge, tidal forces between them can distort their structures, triggering the formation of new stars and altering the distribution of gas and dust within the galaxies. These events are among the most spectacular and complex in the universe, and observations of galaxy mergers can provide crucial insights into the formation and evolution of galaxies themselves. Another spectacular phenomenon involving cosmic tides is the interaction between a supermassive black hole at the center of a galaxy and the material orbiting around it. When the material is captured by the black hole, tidal forces generate an accretion disk that heats up to extremely high temperatures, emitting high-energy radiation. This radiation is one of the main observable emissions in active galactic nuclei, AGN. Beyond being a fascinating phenomenon on its own, cosmic tides also provide a powerful tool for astronomers. The deformations caused by tidal forces can be observed through telescopes and advanced instruments, allowing scientists to gather data on the physical properties of distant celestial bodies. For example, by studying variations in a star's brightness in a binary system, astronomers can determine its mass, composition, and evolution. Additionally, by observing tidal effects in black hole accretion disks, it is possible to learn more about the dynamics of black holes themselves. The effect of cosmic tides gives us an incredibly fascinating view of how gravity acts as a powerful and universal force that shapes celestial bodies. From planetary tides that heat distant worlds to tides that influence the life and death of stars, to tidal effects on a galactic scale, these forces are a fundamental driver in the evolution of the universe. By understanding these phenomena, we can not only deepen our knowledge of gravity but also uncover new details about celestial objects and the universe as a whole, paving the way for new scientific discoveries that continue to amaze us. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.